Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Bing. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. I am going to open Google Chrome. Look, Google Chrome search engine automatically changed to Microsoft Bing. Now I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Click on settings. Now click on search engine. Look, search engine used in the address bar, that is Bing. Now click on the drop down and select Google. Now click on manage search engines and site search. Now scroll down. Now Google is the default and this is the Bing. You can remove Bing from here so that it will not change to Bing again. Click on three dot icon here and click on delete to remove Bing from your search engine. Now close Google Chrome and open Google Chrome again. Look, the problem has been solved. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.